Hello my world, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, you'll know that I had traveled home for a very short time after one long year, and of course I had to do some shopping. I went to Bandra Hill Road and Linking Road because I am from Mumbai and Bandra has been one of the places where I would love street shopping, and I ended up buying so many clothes. And there are two parts to my Indian haul. First, I'll be talking about the clothes and accessories today, and then in my next part I'll be talking about my skincare haul because I also did get my hands on a lot of skincare products. So I'm going to start with the clothes first, and by the way, just an insider tip that these earrings are also from Bandra, and I'll be talking about the price and everything. First of all, I have got myself this pair of jeans. These are like stretchable, like jeggings, not really jeans, but I really like this pattern wherein there was this red and blue stripe on the sides of the legs. Comes right from the hips to the ankle, and I love the color. This is like a very pale blue color, a sky blue color, and I thought this would be good for summer or even during spring when I'm just wearing like a t-shirt or something on top of this. So not really formal but more casual, and I paid 500 Indian rupees for this. And then the other pair of pants that I have are these beautiful pleated pants, and I absolutely love this color. I already actually wore it once, and when I was back I just couldn't contain myself. So this one comes with a belt, and this is until my ankle. Now I am petite, and if you were told this is going to be something which is just above your ankle or something, but I always wear my pants high-waisted, such a fall color. It's a gorgeous brown color, and it comes with a belt so you can tie a knot or a bow in front. And this was for 500 Indian rupees, I guess. Then I have some formal shirts, and these were from all these shirts are from one store, and I think it was for flat 200 no matter how many you pick up. So first I got my hands on these beautiful black satin shirt. This was again formal, but I think this could be something like a Friday wear or something, and also when you know that you could be like transitioning from the office wear to an evening look. So this is something which was very versatile, and I know that this is not something that everybody would really pick up on the first instance, but this was such a fashion statement, I thought, and this was only for 200 Indian rupees, so I just went ahead and bought this one. So this is the first black satin shirt that I bought, and then I have another white shirt, and this has got like golden buttons. This is again very vintage, I feel. It's white, and it's got like this thread work, very detailed work with satin. You can, I think I'll probably wear this with the palest blue pair of jeans that I get my hands on. And yeah, this was again for 200 Indian rupees. And then finally I have something which looked very weird, but I like the color again, and it was something which was my size. So I bought myself this last piece of shirt from the same store, and the trick with this one is that it comes with these triangles coming from both ends of the shoulder, so you kind of tie a knot in front of it. I thought that was quite cool, and this is not really formal, this is more casual, I would say, but I absolutely love the color, and I thought it would also pair with the pleated pants that I got myself. So this was the last pair of shirts that I bought. And then of course I got my hands on a very basic black top. This is like a turtleneck. I paired this with the brown pleated pants, and it was absolutely stunning. This is for 250 Indian rupees, and it's just your basic black top, turtleneck top. Got my hands on two beautiful summer dresses. This is the first one that I got, and it's blue with some stripes, and it's got some smocking on the back so that it fits you well. But this is something that I'm looking forward to, where I can easily pair it with some denim jacket if it's cold, and otherwise I think this is something which is very pretty for spring. and this was for 250 Indian rupees again. And from the same store I got another dress, which is this one, and this was again something that I absolutely love. It's got beautiful floral print, and this is something that I'm looking forward to wear during the summer. And this one also comes with a belt. And talking about the shoulder detailing, I kind of like this kind of shoulder. This again has a bit of smocking on the back, but I kind of like this kind of shoulder rather than these strappy ones. But anyway, I just got my hands on them. So this is the beautiful dress that I got, and again for 250 Indian rupees. This for me, it's knee length or just ends below the knee, both of them. Then I have some beautiful nightwear. Let's start with the shortest one first. I got these pair of small little pants, and this has got print of poo with some honey jar and some honey bees, and this is so cute. I remember having a pair of these pants which I used to call poo pants, and I had been wearing them at night for a very long time, and when I saw this, it was so nostalgic, and I thought, okay, I need another pair of poo pants. So this was for 150 Indian rupees. Then I got myself another pair of pajamas, and these are the full length ones. This has prints of Hello Kitty and some beautiful pink unicorns. This was again for 150 Indian rupees, and the quality, I must say that this is much more thicker. The material feels much more thicker than the poo pants that I got. The last piece of clothing that I got is this gorgeous fluffy, I mean, this material, I just bought it because this material was so fluffy and cozy, and I got this beautiful little, it's like a mint green color, and it's got some pink strawberries on that and some bunny faces, and it's written strawberry everywhere on this little thing. And this was again for 250 Indian rupees, and I thought it would be nice to just pair it with either the Hello Kitty pants or just any normal pajamas. But this was again something that I picked up for winter because it's nice to just cuddle with this and have some hot chocolate in your hand. So that was all about my clothes that I purchased. I did happen to buy a pair of mojris. Now, if you guys are not aware what that is, they are these beautiful little things which I have loved over years. They are very good to pair with just denim, like jeans and like Indian kurti or anything colorful, or even monochrome. It just goes with every little thing. And I know the sole kind of looks weird because I have some insole in here. I couldn't find my size as always, but these are beautiful handcrafted shoes. Talking about the price, this was for 200 or 250 Indian rupees, but that's like insanely cheap to get a pair of mojris. So that's again from Bandra. Now let's move on to final part of this video wherein I talk about the accessories. And as you guys can see, this is like a beautiful silver earrings. It's got this rectangle shape, and then I have some tassels below, and I'll tell you guys why I bought this. I was just strolling through the streets in Bandra, and I happened to find this beautiful choker for just 100 Indian rupees. And this was such a gorgeous thing. I have no idea if I'm gonna wear this, or I don't know how I'm going to wear this, but it's such a fashion statement and these are like statement jewelry. So I saw this and I just picked it up without knowing if I'm gonna wear it ever or not, but that's how it looks like on my neck. So that's how this looks on me. It's absolutely a statement jewelry. It's got tassels at the end, so you just place it on the neck and then you can tie it behind, and I love this. It was really, again, love at first sight. So coming back to the story, I just picked this up and I was just strolling through other stores, and then I came across these beautiful earrings which are like so bohemian, and I picked these up again for 100 Indian rupees. I got the ones with black tassels, and of course they had earrings with other colored tassels, but for me black is like more versatile. You can kind of pair it up with a lot of clothes. So even right now I'm wearing this loose t-shirt and a pair of jeans, but they still adds such a statement. And the last piece from my shopping are these again beautiful Chand Bali. These were again for 100 Indian rupees, and this one has got beautiful details of blue inside, and just look at that gorgeousness. It's so pretty. Again, a combination of silver and more oxidized silver and the proper silver, which I love when it comes to junk jewelry. And again, something which is not really so bohemian, but I would say much more Indian. So I have this for my Indian outfits especially, and I do wear a lot of blue when it comes to my Indian outfits, which is absolutely a coincidence, but that's what I bought. So that's all about my haul, my clothes and accessories haul from India. And the next video that I'll be doing will be about my skincare products and like the beauty products that I bought from India. Super excited to do that as well. So I hope you guys had a fun time watching this, and it was useful. So that's all for today. I wish you all a wonderful time and looking forward to see you all again. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna see you all soon with a new video. Lots of love to each and every one of you. Bye!